Hello everyone! Now, this first video is about coasters, so things you put under your hot cup. Well, now let's start. I want to show you 3 possible options that I have, and I want to talk about materials. Now, these 3 coasters are pretty the same. Well, this one looks slightly different, but the idea is just the same in all 3 of them. And I wanted to show you the difference when using different materials. Okay? Well, firstly, I have the recommendation for you to be using natural materials, because it seems to me that they are the most, I don't know, cozy ones, and they would look great on your table, and they would not deform because of hot coffee under it. Okay, so my first recommendation, natural materials. Recommendation number 2, the yarn that you choose has to be rather thick. I'm not saying chunky, but I'm saying rather thick. Okay, so now let's start with this one. So this coaster is made out of raffia. I will show you how it looks. This is how it looks. Okay, this is raffia, and this one is made, if I'm right, out of paper. Okay, so this is not fully natural raffia, so this seems to be paper, but I might also be wrong. I ordered it on one of our local websites. Well, this is twisted raffia, because there are different types of raffia, and this one is twisted. Okay, so for this type of my project, I was using raffia, and I was using hook number 3.5, and somewhere here I will show you American sizes. Well, this is how it looks. This is how it looks. Well, it's unusual, but works great for hot drinks. Okay, it's not flexible. It's, you know, when you hold it, you see, you can actually hold it, and it works great. So this is option number 1. If you can find something similar to raffia, please use it. You know, it's great. It's natural, and it's durable, and you can wash it, and it's kind of a bit difficult to crochet it, but possible anyway. Okay, so type number 1, raffia. Now, this is how it looks. Type number 2, and this is the one actually that I'm going to be teaching you how to make. This one is made out of 100% cotton. Well, it's, you see, rather flexible. So, it's absolutely different from raffia. But I still love it because it looks really natural. You could choose one of the natural colors, something beige or brown, and it would be really great. Now, again, this cotton is very thick, very thick. I will put you somewhere here the measurements of this yarn, and it's thick. It's 100% cotton, as I said, and I was using just the same hook but for this one. So 2 of these options were made just with the same hook. Okay, and this one is again natural yarn. It's some well, it's some natural fabric. It's made of a plant. If I find the name of it, I'll also put it somewhere here. Well, you see how different it looks. It's so I don't know, rustical, you know. Hope you see it well. And it's also not flexible, so you could just hold it like that. It would work for some big mugs, or it would also work for small plates. Look, not bad. I like it as well. I was using a rather bigger hook, and this is the result. Well, my message is that you can use whatever yarn you can find. Criteria number 1 has to be thick. Criteria number 2 has to be natural. No acrylics, no whatever. So, and probably no wool, because no, I don't think it works great. So my idea is cotton or some other natural yarns. If you find something unusual as raffia, please feel free to use it. All right. Now, and today I will show you how to make this one.